Alright, what's going on YouTube? So I'm going to be making a video today about how to connect a foam cannon to a Harbor Freight pressure washer. I have the Portland 1750 PSI pressure washer. I've seen a few videos on YouTube now in regards to getting one of these foam cannons connected to a Harbor Freight pressure washer. The wand that comes with these Harbor Freight pressure washers has this proprietary connection that you can twist and control the spray pattern on it that has this type of connection on it. It's a bayonet style fitting. And what people have been doing they've been buying bayonet adapters so that way they can fit into here. Along with having to go to like Home Depot or Lowe's to buy like 1/4-inch piping with threading on it, and then buying another adapter that allows it to screw in so you can have the quick disconnect options that'll fit this 1/4-inch fitting here on the foam cannon. So I did some research and I found out that Ryobi sells a wand attachment, or actually on the Ryobi pressure washers, the wands automatically already come with these 1/4-inch quick disconnect fittings, and they have the bayonet style fitting. So after doing a little bit of digging, I was able to find one of these wand attachments, and I was able to order it on Amazon along with the $16 Amazon foam cannon that also included and came with the quick disconnect different spray nozzles. So to show that it does fit, we go ahead and take the wand here, you push in and give it a twist, and now it's connected. And you have the nozzle quick disconnect fittings. I can go ahead and attach the foam cannon, and there you go. Now the reason why I'm making this video is because the options that people are having to go through, or the way that people are having to go through ordering different fittings, different connections and things like that, so that way they could fit and make the option available to use a foam cannon, is because this setup right here is almost probably about $10 to $15 cheaper than what people are having to go through to piece together different fittings and different things like that. I'll go ahead and show you real quick. This is the replacement Ryobi wand, $11.20. Already comes ready to go, attaches directly to this, and then of course the foam cannon with the different spray nozzles is $19 and change. So altogether you're looking at just under or right around $30. The adapter sets that I've been seeing people order in order just to get this bayonet style fitting only come in a 5-pack, and that runs like $13 in itself. Then people have to go to Home Depot or Lowe's just to order another 1/4-inch piping with threading on it. That's another couple dollars, and then having to go and get something that has this type of quick connection, this 1/4-inch quick connection, another fitting you have to order for another like $7 to $10. All that you're looking at, let's see, 13 plus 7, that's 20, plus another couple dollars, you're looking at $22 just to get the 1/4-inch quick connect option. That's not including a foam cannon. You know, you add $16 for just the foam cannon alone, that's $36. And then if you want to go ahead and order different quick connect fittings, you know, these are, I've seen them in a pack of, let's see, what is this, pack of 5 for like $7. You know, so that just, all that adds up, and you know, that's a good extra 10, you know, $11, $12 that you could be saving on just ordering one piece, this one attachment, for $11. $11, you get the quick connect fitting option, and then ordering the foam cannon with, you know, the different fittings or the different nozzles, an extra $20. I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video now, and then I'll bring it back, testing out the foam cannon along with testing out some of these disconnects on my pressure washer. Alright guys, so there's the pressure washer. I have everything all hooked up. I'm gonna go ahead and open up my foam cannon, and I'm gonna be using some Ammo Foam Paint Protect Cleanser. If you guys haven't checked this guy out, Ammo NYC on YouTube, he's got some pretty good products. I'm gonna go ahead and give them a test here. I'm probably gonna put maybe about 3 ounces or so. That should be good. And if you can look, go ahead and add some water. Cool. Alright, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and put on one of these fittings here. And I'll go ahead and I'll just let you guys know, I'm going to put the links down in the description for everything that I ordered. These little connections have the angles on them. I'm going to go ahead and use the 15-degree angle. Go ahead and turn the pressure washer on. And as you can see, no leaks. Fitting is on. And we have pressure. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse down the car. Alright, let's go ahead and take off that fitting. And let's go ahead and pop on foam cannon. Now this is going to be my first time using it, so you guys are checking it out with me for the first time. Now I know a lot of people say that this nozzle controls how much soap you're getting, so we'll check it out. Holy cow. Guys, this shit is amazing. Look at that. Nice and foamed up. Man, this thing's working awesome. Not bad for a little Amazon foam cannon. Alright guys, well, you see that the foam cannon works. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. This thing works amazing. 30 bucks and you got yourself something that works like a champ. No leaking, everything's good. Go ahead and leave a comment. I'm gonna go ahead and put all the links in the description. So if you guys wanna buy this little wand and the foam cannon for your Harbor Freight pressure washer, it works. All right guys, see ya.